chicken livers. I know what you're thinking, just hear me out. We're talking sticky, glossy, Asian-glazed chicken livers that are bold, savory, just a little spicy, and ready in under 20 minutes. Let's go. So first things first, we're working with 1 pound of chicken livers today. And the number 1 rule before anything else touches that pan, pat these dry, I mean really dry, paper towels pressed down, don't be shy. Because moisture is the enemy of a good sear. Wet livers don't sear, they steam, and steamed liver is not the vibe we're going for. Once they're dry, season them with half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Simple. We're not overcomplicating the liver itself because the glaze is going to do all the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about that glaze. This is where the magic lives. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, that's your sweet savory backbone, 1 tablespoon of gochujang for that deep, subtle heat that sneaks up on you, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey for that glossy caramelized finish, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of water to loosen it up a little. Give that a good whisk and set it aside. Go ahead and taste it. I'll wait. Yeah, that's the one. Now get your cast iron or stainless steel pan screaming hot, and I mean hot hot. Add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, avocado oil, vegetable oil, whatever you've got. Once that oil is shimmering, lay your livers in a single layer. Do not move them, do not touch them, do not even look at them funny. Let them sear for 2 full minutes on one side, flip 2 more minutes on the other side. You want a deep brown crust on the outside with just a little pink in the center. That's perfect. Pull them off the heat and set them aside. In that same pan, don't you dare wash it. All that flavor is still in there. Drop your heat to medium. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Let that saute for about 30 seconds until your kitchen smells like you actually know what you're doing. Then pour in your glaze. Scrape up all those brown bits from the bottom of the pan. That's flavor, that's gold. Don't leave it behind. Let the glaze bubble and reduce for about a minute, then add your livers back in. Toss them to coat. Give it 1 more minute on the heat until everything is glossy, sticky, and absolutely irresistible. Then pull it off immediately. Don't overcook them. Grate all the way through means bitter and grainy, and we are not doing that. Mini soul snack. Cheap doesn't mean less than. Some of the most underestimated things in life turn out to be the most valuable. Don't count something out just because it doesn't come with a premium price tag. Plate these over steamed white rice, finish with 3 sliced scallions and a tablespoon of sesame seeds, and just look at that. Sticky, glossy, beautiful. Nobody's leaving early when this is on the table. Listen, if you've been sleeping on chicken livers your whole life, consider this your wake-up call. This dish is cheap, it's fast, it's packed with iron and B12, and it tastes like you spend way more time and money than you actually did. That's a win. For the full written recipe with exact measurements, substitutions, what to serve it with, and all the tips, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Link is in the description. Make this, tag me, and let me know if you're a convert. I'll see you in the next one.